Well, welcome everybody. So last night we had some storms blow through, and it took a little toll on our transplants that we started for the beginner gardening series. These held up pretty good. The tomato plants, haven't done a close inspection, but they look okay. These peppers, Snackabell mini bell pepper, they seem to be okay. But my jalapeno plants, especially this one, blew over, and I don't think it broke the stem down here, so I'm going to have to get a better stake. I'm going to get a larger stake, longer, and get it staked up properly. This one seemed to survive okay, so that's good. This one's got a few leaves on the bottom that need to be, one of them's broken, so I'm just going to cut those off at the bottom. And this one seemed to survive, so I'm surprised this one didn't blow over, because I forgot to stake this one yesterday when I was out here, but for whatever reason I'm going to fix it up. So I'm also going to empty the saucers. Obviously they filled up when the rain came through. These have been watered plenty. I don't want to get root rot going, so I'm going to empty those and get them back on their path to success. So let me get all that done. All right, so made some changes. I tied these up a little bit better. Got a new stake for this taller plant here, so that's going to be good for the rest of its growth. Probably I'll have to add one to this one. I did trim up some of the bottom again. I emptied all the water out of the saucers, and I think they're going to be okay. Got this one tomato back here that's really starting to grow. So a little damage from the storms. Things happen. You just gotta go out and take care of it. Hopefully you don't get broken plants. You know, if these had not been staked at all, they probably all would have blown over and probably gotten damaged. So staking is important. All right, just a quick update on the plants after the storm. So I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.